But somebody is saying this is not work.
We
Your,
are giving a
okay,
initiate energy to it.
correct. But your mom has given you a task to move this almara to this place. Suddenly, after 1 hour, your mom has come here, and still the almara is here. But you are giving your energy, but it is not moving. Your mom will think that you are not doing any work. Yet the task is not completed. But still you are giving energy. You are saying that I am doing work, still it is not moving. Wow. What is the fault? It is not my fault. It is the almara's fault. It is not moving. So mom, so I'm doing work. So you can now you can give me some chocolate. I have done my work. So this is what you are saying after 1 hour. So what your mom will think? Will she give the chocolate for your completion of
No,
work?
ma'am.
No. No or yes? Somebody is saying yes. Yes. Will she give? Will your mom give chocolate for not completing this work to here? So even if you are investing your energy also, this is not moving. So the work is not completed. So you have to say, by the application of force, the object should be moved to a certain position. The position of the object should be changed to a certain extent. Then only you can say it is a work. Okay, you can't say I'm applying energy, still it is not moving. So it is not my fault. I am doing work. So it is not my fault. This is not you have to say. The work is to be done only if the object is displaced from one position to another position by using force. You have to say by using force, if the object is moved from one position to another position, then the work is said to be done by the force. Okay. So what happened? Then you have realized what is work after listening the thermodynamics class. Then you straight away, by applying more energy, you have displaced the almara to this position. Then obviously you will get the chocolates from your mom. Correct now? Your mom has given you a big chocolate. You say it as a dairy milk. Okay. So, of your interest, chocolate has been delivered from your mom to you after completion of work. Okay. So this is simply work. Now we will get back to lesson 2. So work transfer. Work is said to be done by the system. Here we have taken system surrounding. What is our concept here? Only system. System is our concentration. Correct na? System is our concentration. Suppose uh, thermodynamic analysis I have to be done. So I have taken piston cylinder arrangement. I am applying force on this piston. I am applying force on this piston. So this piston has moved here. Okay. So this is a small, you can say here. So this is the displacement. DL, small amount of displacement. You can call it as a DL. The piston is moved from this place to this place. You can say it as a work is done by this force. So what is system here? Here what is the system? So what is the system I have taken? Piston cylinder arrangement, correct now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I can show here in the other slide. So here. So this is a system. Work is done by the system or work can be done on the system. Suppose you have punched your friend very badly. Okay. So you have punched your friend in a fighting. Then what you can say? Work is done by you. Correct na? Work is
Yes,
done.
ma'am.
Otherwise, your friend has punched you. Reverse. So what is that means? Work is done on the system. Work is done on you. Correct? So
Yes, ma'am.
when you will feel happy, when you punched your friend or when your friend punched you, in which case you will feel happy?
When we punch, madam.
Right. When you punch your friend, then you will feel happy. Correct? No? Then you can call it as a work is a positive. When you are punching your friend, you are positive. That means you are happy. When your friend is punching you,
Negative.
then you are feeling bad. So that is you are feeling sad. Then that is a negative. After that you will punch again. That is another case. But here we are talking about only you are punching or your friend is punching. So that is our criteria. So you as a system, you the person who are punching the another person. So this is the system. This is you. Surroundings is your friend, and this work is your punch. Okay, and reverse, surroundings is punching you, punching the system. That means your friend is punching you. So this is reverse case. Here you have to say work is done on the system, that is negative. Okay, here work is done by the system, this is positive.
False.
This is a punching criteria.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is a simple this is a definition given in book. You just see work is said to be done by the system if the sole effect on the things external to the system can be reduced to the rising of a weight. So this is the system I have taken, battery and motor. So by switching on the this switch here, here there will be switch. So after that the fan will be rotating. Okay. So suppose I have removed this fan and I have joined a pulley weight system. So, so by the rotation of this motor, what happens? This pulley also rotating. You
Robots.
should arrange the pulley in such a way that the weight should be lifted up. So it should be lifted up by switching on this motor arrangement, motor battery arrangement. If you switch on this motor, then the weight should be moved up. In that way, you just arrange the system. Then you can say work is said to be
Transfer from the system.
okay. You can define the work as a raising of this weight, raising of this. You can say as a work. Okay, this reduced to the raising of the weight. That means work can be defined in the raising weight of the here. This weight, if the weight is raised to a certain distance by applying some energy, then work is said to be done by the system. So here, work transfer from a system. Okay. So what is the system here? Work, battery, motor is the system, and this one is the surroundings. So I have done some work from the system to the surroundings. Okay. And this is a punching example. And next, what is free expansion? So free expansion means you can take a practical example as you are a you are
Then.
you are very strong person. So in front of you a thin person is there. Okay, thin weak person is there. You are punching and punching and punching. Okay, so what happens here? He will not resist you. He will keep on taking punches. He will keep on taking punches, but he will not react to your punches. Correct, no? Have you experienced this one in your life? I guess everyone has experienced this thing. When you were a child, you used to get these punches from your elder brothers. Okay, you will cry and you will go to your mom and saying that he's punching me. So I couldn't confront him. So you have to come there. You are bigger than him. You can punch him more than he punched me. So that was the scenario, right? So what is the? This is the chota bacha. So he is a small guy. He is a big guy. Okay, this small guy cannot resist this big guy. So this is big guy is a gas. Okay, so this is a partition. So after removing partition, the punching criteria will be happening. So here the fighting will happen. So fighting is only from one side. The gas is expanding to occupy this entire volume. So I have taken a partition. Initially, this is the enclosed region where the gas is there. here vacuum is there. What is vacuum? What is vacuum? Is it a thing? Is it a substance? What is vacuum? Anyone? What is a vacuum? Nothing is there in the vacuum. There is no thing, no air, nothing. Nothing is there in this vacuum. So what happens after removing this partition? The gas is having compressed. So what happens? This entire gas will occupy this whole space. Okay, after removing. So you have to observe. This is the first point. This is the second point. Here you can see. This is the first point. This is the second point. So I have joined initial and final position by a dotted line. So why I have joined? My question is why I have joined this first point and second point by a dotted line. What is the reason? I have explained before also why I have joined. What is the reason behind joining the initial and final states by a dotted line? Anyone? Why I have joined this 1 and 2 states by a dotted line?
To bring equilibrium, ma'am.
To bring equilibrium, so correct, your
In
statement
the
is correct, but final state is in equilibrium. Initial state is also in equilibrium. So you can say here, this gas, initially, this gas is in equilibrium, correct na? And final state, this is the final state. Final state also equilibrium. That means initial 1 point, this 1 point and second point are in equilibrium. But in between states are not in equilibrium. That's why I have joined it by a dotted line. You remember this is very important point in the entire thermodynamics. So to join a initial and final states by a dotted line means the process is not equilibrium. This process is not a quasi-static process. Quasi-static process, you cannot, if the process is not quasi-static, that means infinitely slow process means quasi-static process. If the process is not quasi-static, then the path will be dotted line. If the path should be solid line means it is a quasi-static process. Quasi-static is nothing but the process has taken place very slowly. This one. Here the process is taken in a rush manner. It has taken place. From the starting point to end point, it has taken with a high velocity, high speed. It has taken place. There is no equilibrium. Okay, and here the process has taken place slowly. It has taken place. How it can be done? I have taken n number of partitions. Okay, initially I have taken in a quasi-static process. I have taken a slices of weights, n number of slices here. In the same manner, I have taken n number of partitions. One by one, I have removed. Finally, I have removed this also. So, you can take the gas in a steady manner from initial to final position by equilibrium intermediate positions. These all intermediate positions here. You can see, I will draw here. So, these all intermediate positions here, these are all equilibrium positions. So, I can join this as a solid line. I have joined as a solid line. Here these are intermediate positions or not. These are non-equilibrium. Here equilibrium. Equilibrium is quasi-static. Non-equilibrium is non-quasi-static. That's it. Simply you just remember like this. Okay. So this you can call it as a free expansion. Free expansion means there is no work. My question is why there is no work here? Why there is no work? The gas is expanding, correct now? The work has to be there, but still we are telling that there is no work. There is no work. This is the last point. I will end up here. Why? But before that you have to say why there is no work here. Why there is no work in free expansion process.
Zero opposite force, madam.
Right, exactly correct. Who said that?
Shanmukh, ma'am.
Correct, exactly correct. Because vacuum is not resisting any force. There is no resistance force. That's why you cannot say even if the process has taken place, there is no resistance force that. So you can say work is zero. So this is example of zero work transfer. Even if the process has taken place, work done against the vacuum is zero. Always work done against the vacuum is zero. So what is the work transfer in free expansion? Is it zero, positive or negative? What is the work transfer in free expansion? Work transfer, work transfer, work transfer in free expansion. What is that value? Zero.
0.
Right. What is the work transfer in free expansion is? A big
0.
zero. Okay. You just remember work transfer in a free expansion is zero. So any doubts up to here? Here, just take a screenshot of your today's attendance. Harish, now?
Harish absent, madam.
And okay, I'll take the screenshot. Okay. Please attend next class also. I will be informing. This PPT I am seeing right now. Okay. Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No doubts, ma'am.
No doubts? Okay,
No.
I'll leave the class and be be safe outside. The climate is very bad and wear sweaters, wear mask and have please use sanitizer. Okay. Please maintain social distance also. Okay, we are
Okay,
coming
ma'am.
daily to the college. Alternative days on so to the college. We are taking classes in the college itself. Some faculty is taking classes in home. So that's why we are managing. Please be attend the classes and tell your friends also. So this is very useful. Even if the exams are not there, this will be useful for your competitive exams like GATE, IES, state exams. You please attend, maintain some interest towards class. We will be entertaining you in the classes, coming classes. Okay, please inform your friends and join in Google Classroom. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
okay, okay. So take care. I will end up this class. Okay.
Seven,